So here we have the Vauxhall Zafira SRI nav automatic on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors. Currently all 7 seats are in place, so that's the amount of boot space you have with the 2 rear ones folded up. Let me show you what it's like with them folded down. As you can see, you get loads of space when they're folded down. Those 3 what are now rear seats also fold down individually as well for even more space should you need it. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back down the side of the car and round to the front, and then we'll hop in and run through those controls. And now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. The seats are in great condition, as you can see. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. You can see the total miles of this car are 14,231. You can change the information displayed above that using controls on the indicator stalk for various different bits of fuel economy information. Backing out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we have cruise control and speed limiter just here, and on the right hand side we have stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it can do that without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is of course once you paired the phone, and that is done on the central screen over here. So this is touch screen. You've got a few option buttons down the right and left hand side, for example satellite navigation. There's a full video showing the satellite navigation working on our website and on our Facebook page, which is well worth checking out. You can set up your phone from here. We can go back a page, we can go to the home screen, and here is where it will show you what you are currently listening to by way of music. So this car's got FM, AM and DAB digital radio. On top of that you can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio, as well as plugging in via USB or auxiliary. Working our way down, we've got the climate control. So you can adjust the temperature on the left, fan speed on the right, hit that button to turn the air conditioning on or off, and all of those settings are shown just here as well as down there. And then you can just determine where within the car you'd like the air to be distributed. We then have the fully automatic gearbox, and down here we've got the ability to turn on or off the parking sensors, and this turns off the traction control on the car. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.